Here is the woodpecker at its nest. Oh, the dry wooden part of my silver rock. So cute. I even did see it feeding something into its nest. Maybe it's nestlings. This is the first time I am watching a woodpecker tapping on the wood. I even did hear the sound. It may get scared and fly off. That orange color. Oh, see, you can hear the sound. This is all that I can zoom, I guess. Did it fly off? Oh, no, it came back. There seems to be a hole there already. There is a leaf in between, and I can't get rid of it. I need to move the lens. Come back, come back. Wonderful, isn't it? What a wonderful sight to have. Where did you go?